Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to convert the Wix website to an Android app. So, first of all, set the URL of your Wix website you wish to convert into a mobile application. After that, what you need to do is set the app name and the icon for your app. The icon can be the favicon of your website, which is recommended. The recommended resolutions are 512 by 512 pixels, while the format should be a PNG image file. Now, click on the next button to move to the next stage of the app maker. Now make sure the rest of the details of your app are correct, and then set the mode of your app to free. Your app is now ready to be built. Click on the Make App button. The system will make and build your app online. This may take up to 60 seconds. You can now download your app, install it on your real device, and even publish it to the Google Play Store using your developer account. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.